Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to manage privacy on Airbnb. Also, I wonder why you want to know how to manage privacy on Airbnb. Maybe because you want to secure your account, or maybe you just want to get through all the options of the privacy so that you could make your account more protective. Or maybe you're facing some of the privacy issues, so you want to fix it, or there could be any other reason for you to get to know how to manage privacy on Airbnb. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you could do it. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First, you have to make sure that you have already installed the Airbnb app, and if you have not installed it yet, then you can still install it from Google Play Store or App Store. Once the app gets installed, just simply tap on its icon to open the app. Once app gets open, you will see its interface. At the top, you will see some of the options, and at the bottom as well. And in the middle of the screen, you will see some of the places that if you want to stay there, you can stay there, you can rent them, and if you want to purchase, you can do that too. Now, if you're looking to secure your account, like you want to manage your privacy, therefore you have